just got done unrolling the tarp.
Let's go.
What do you do if it's blinking?
It's not in. Just let it out a little tiny bit. Got the brake off?
Yep.
Did it quit?
No. Yeah.
Push it. Okay. Easy out. When it starts to move, hold it where it is. Okay. Now get square on this. Okay? You'll probably have to get out and get the thing. That's just the way it is. If you're gonna do it, get in there. Well, easy. Did they give us a green light, Kate?
Well, it has a green light.
No, I mean the one back there.
No idea.
Okay, don't get way over here, but now stay centered on this. Put the weird stripe right down that black thing on the hood. Don't get over on your side either. And be ready for the clutch. You gotta stop for this guy too, so watch the light. And when you get to it, just push your clutch in and let it roll. Push your clutch in. Let it roll. Let it roll. Wait for the light. Let it roll. Let it roll. Stop. Right there. Neutral. Check. Let it out. You don't have to do that. Just let it out. Now hold the brake so it doesn't roll. Now you're going to pull straight up and get out and get that. And you know, you have some sort of secret card somewhere. Reach up in that. Or they're going to make you get a new card. Oh, here's a card.
Now do I clutch to go?
Yeah. You have to drive up, and then you're going to have to get out and tell them. Easy, easy. Clutch, brake, brake, neutral. Check.
Yep.
Now you have to get out.
Do I have to pull the brake up?
Yeah. Get your foot off the brake. That's why it's leaking air.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. Mark Stevens Winter Wheat.
All right.
Yeah.
That looks correct now?
Yeah.
All right, then you can come on inside the elevator.
Thank you.
Done.
Okay. Put it in gear. Let off the clutch. Easy with the clutch. Easy. Easier than that. Okay, you want to go wide so you get in straight, okay?
I lined up pretty good there.
Yeah, wonderful.
Didn't hit the monitor. Is this one that I have to hold down the gas to?
No. Don't short turn this, Kate. Now turn. Get super squared up in the middle. And then just let it idle on in. Idle. Just let it idle on in. Right in the middle. Keep coming. Okay, now you're not going your way, are you?
Clutch.
Okay. Brake, or whenever he said. Brake. God, Kate, you're this far from that door. Neutral. Did he stop you?
Yeah.
Okay. Shut the thing.
Hold this.
Yes. Keep the clutch in. Put this in gear. Ease it out.
The clutch.
Yes.
Oh.
Is it going up?
Yep.
Okay, then you watch it, because he probably won't.
Do I have to put the clutch in to disengage the PTO?
Yeah, push it in, just disengage it. Now keep it in, pop the brake off, put your foot on the brake when you're doing it. Pop it off. Is it locked in?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You're off and running, Kate. See where they left the hopper bottom thing open and it dumped a bunch of wheat, and you can see it growing in between the tracks now, Kate?
Oh yeah.
And when you get on this thing, you know, kind of just let it idle up, stop smoothly so you don't jam their scale, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, don't get over that way. Clutch, let it roll, and don't wander your way. Stop. Okay, that's kind of hammering the brake, but yeah, check before you get on the clutch. Are you out?
Yep.
Okay. And I want my ticket this time too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, let's see how many bushels we had. We're only supposed to haul about 4 or 6. Okay, let's go. Brake 2. Okay, D. Check. If it's okay, hold it. Okay. Now just drive the truck.
We weigh
You must add your
23,000.
front end. No.
23,040.
Well, that might be true.
We're now coming up to our exit. Probably take cruise off about now. No one behind me, which is great. Put on my blinker. Blinker. There we go. It wasn't working.
The
But-
blinker wasn't?
Yeah, but it just maybe didn't go in far enough. If you don't.
Turn it off.
Oh, clutch. We've almost made it back now, which is nice. How do you reseed? Do you just go into the spot that doesn't look that good and drop the drill?
Everywhere. I mean, that's why it's such a messed up thing.
Where do you want me to park this?
I don't know. I'm thinking about it. I think we'll pull on the other side of the elevator and then snug it up next to the bins a little bit.
Okay.
So because when they turn, they're wide. But we got to be about down to the second bin on the other side. Keep going. Sleep on the way over there. Should just drove it off with the thing. Don't run over that rock, but go over by them tracks. Did you run over the rock?
No.
Okay, clutch. Okay, just stop. Right here. Neutral. Check.
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I hope you learned a little bit more about how your food gets to your table. Well, at least your wheat. You can follow Kate's Egg on Instagram, KATES_AG, and on Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, pretty much everywhere else. You can also visit the Kate's Egg website, www.katesag.com, and purchase a Kate's Egg tote bag. Mine is very dirty. They're 100% cotton and made in the USA, and this is a wheat pattern of a picture I took at our farm of our winter wheat crop, actually, a couple of years ago, and I store everything in it. As you can see, it looks even more fantastic when it's dirty. Thank you again for watching. Bye!